Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look as usual on the euro currency. So on the euro, we're currently watching for downward action. Currently we are talking about a kind of retracement, but as we said yesterday, in the perspective that could be not just a retracement. Actually market has chances to drop right to the 1450 area as the major weekly support stands there, and it also makes makes possible this butterfly. As I said, this left wing is going to become the right wing, as it's top of the right wing, guys. But currently, as market still hasn't broken yet through the major supports, we will treat it as just a bounce down of this leg. So that is currently the way how we treat this action. So yesterday we have talked a lot about this recent plunge down and explained why we think that market should continue to move lower and what targets market could reach. So currently we just take a look at the progress of this action. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, everything has started from our guarded triple to sell, and as I said that when the market forms slower CD leg, it very often leads not just to retracement but to reversal. Yesterday we said that the first target that market should meet, it will be OP of this ABCD. After that, the minor retracement should happen and market could retest the lows of the B point, it's 117. That has happened, so you can see market has hit OP, minor retracement, retesting of the B lows, and downward continuation. So already everything stands as we have suggested. And downward continuation mostly stands due to this acceleration. So when you have the ABCD pattern with the acceleration of the CD leg, it means that market hardly will stop at the OP and will proceed lower. Next target, as you can see, stands at the XOP 1596. So briefly, it's circa 116. So that will be the important level, guys, because that's final major 618 support, and if market will break it lower and will start tending to the lows of 115, this will be the first early sign that probably we will see the taking out of these lows and possible breakout right to the 114.50. This will be a very important moment. I don't know whether market will hit today, but definitely this should happen soon, maybe today, maybe in the beginning of the next week. So that's what we will be watching for on the euro currency and in EURUSD future. Here, guys, you could probably, we will treat this guarded triple to sell as worked properly because it's already has met 3-8 support, and that is the minimum target that market should reach when it forms guarded triple to sell, as well as the butterfly. So when you see the butterfly or triple two, it's a 30% retracement of the whole body of the pattern. This will be minimum target the market should achieve, and in this case you could treat this pattern as the worked properly, so it's not the failure pattern, but we're counting on some more action. So on the hourly chart we have minor pattern that you could also keep an eye on. As you can see, some kind of acceleration is happening right now. That's our reaction, guys, that we have talked about. We said it's OP, retracement. Unfortunately we haven't got here kind of the guarded triple to sell or something of that sort, but maybe on the 15-minute chart it was the guarded triple to sell, because here is some pullback. So anyway, currently, guys, we have also some minor patterns forming butterfly, and it has the same destination point as the level. So it's 1620 and 1627, and today probably it could be hit. Also, you can see the weekly pivot support one stands here. So XOP target stands 20 pips lower, so it stands at 16 even approximately. So, but it means that here between the 116 and 116.25, this will be a bit volatile action because there will be some support here. Once market will hit it, it will be a bit difficult to just press for this level and to hit the XOP. Well, but till this moment, it's relatively free space, and you can see market is coming lower, some acceleration, so everything stands as we suggested. So as soon as this target will be hit, as I said, we'll be watching for reaction. So downside breakout will be very important because it will confirm the idea that probably market will move back to the 115 lows and could reach weekly support at 114.50. So that's what we talked about earlier, because those of you who are watching our weekly reports regularly probably remember that for us we are still guessing how market will show the upper direction to 121 area, because as we said, we need some clear reversal pattern or breakout some important level, but we don't have yet the clear reversal pattern, and dropping to the 114.50 could resolve this problem, because in this case we will get the daily butterfly, and daily butterfly is a clear bullish reversal pattern. In particular, this butterfly could trigger the upper direction to 121, 120 area. That will be most comfortable scenario for us, because we will get the opportunity to take the short right at the bottom. Take the long position right at the bottom, based on the butterfly pattern. That's why it's a really currently very important situation on the euro currency for longer perspective, and we could get, if this will happen, we could get a long-lasting scenario for a few weeks. We will have the direction, we will have the target. What else we need? Our task will be just to catch suitable opportunities for taking the long position day by day. So this will be a very pleasant moment in the trading. So, but currently, and till the end of the session, till the end of the week, we're watching for this action and what market will do around this area.